Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I edit my raw files using my colour Poppin preset. This preset is really versatile and my base preset for everything. Perfect for those colourful photographers wanting a really punchy, bright edit without being too saturated. This preset also has great colours for skin tones to make sure that you're not oversaturating them. So I've got a variety of images here. Mine will be shot on Canon, and the lovely Rebecca Carpenter from Rebecca Carpenter Photography has given me some of her Sony and Nikon images so I can show you a variety of raw files and how my preset works. Just a quick note, obviously this is the way I edit and I shoot in a very certain way, so my presets won't be a one-click fix for everyone, but I would like to show how easy they are to use and some quick kind of hints and tweaks that will make your images perfect for you. So I'm just going to get started and stuck in Lightroom. This is my image shot on Canon, so I'm just going to apply the preset and I'm pretty happy with that. I just might take the exposure down ever so slightly and really happy with the brightness. You can see all the details in the dress, you can see the sky. It's really nice and bright and the colours are perfect for me, so I'm really happy. Moving on, this is another Canon RAW, so I'm just going to apply my preset and I'm really happy with the exposure, but that is a bit too warm for me, so I'm just going to make that a bit cooler, so about there I think, which is perfect. And then if I was editing a real wedding, I would crop into it and I would get rid of these little marks on the pavement as they would just annoy me. And yeah, really happy with that one. This image is by Rebecca and this is shot on Nikon, so I'm just going to apply that preset. This is a bit overexposed for me, so I'm going to lower that exposure and warm it right up, so probably somewhere about there. That's perfect. This is another one of Rebecca's images. This is beautiful. This is the lovely Dion, so again I'm just going to apply the preset. A little bit bright for me, so I'm going to take down the exposure and warm that up just ever so slightly. And yeah, really happy with that one. Going back to my work, this is Canon and this is Emma and her bridesmaid. So again, I'm just going to apply my preset. Loving the colours in this, just going to brighten that up a tad. So yeah, really happy with that one. And this is actually shot on quite a sunny day as well, so it works well in sunny days and cloudy days. Okay, this is another Canon RAW and this is a confetti exit. And I actually don't need to do anything to this one. I'm really happy with it. I love all the colourful confetti. It just looks absolutely perfect. Okay, moving on. This is another one of mine, shot on Canon. So I think that's a bit orange for me, so I'm going to cool that right down and up the exposure ever so slightly. But yeah, really happy with that for a bit of a moodier kind of shadowy shot. And then the last one, I'm just going to apply my preset and then warm that right up and brighten that up just a little bit. But yeah, I'm really happy with all those. Like I said, it's not a one-click fix, but it's really good for kind of your skin tones and for giving an overall punchy, colourful look. So I hope that's helped, and if you've got any questions, give me a shout. Thanks so much guys, take care.